So we've talked about layering acoustic guitar sounds, recording multiple takes of the same instrument, but we didn't talk about layering other acoustic instruments underneath or above those instruments. So this was our Guild F50 that we had panned in the opposite direction of each other. But now let's talk about using a high string. High string is just an acoustic guitar strung up with the thin strings of a 12-string set. It's also called a Nashville tuning. It adds a nice shimmery sound to an acoustic guitar part. So let's take a look at this. You can hear it sounds like a 12-string, but it's not. So I used 2 microphones on this. You can hear it's a very thin, chimey sound, but when you layer it in with the other guitars, listen to how it sounds. It's a real sparkly tone. I'm using it to add simply another layer of acoustic guitars to the sound. You can hear that. It really adds color to your part. I also used it on the intro of this song, so let's go to the intro and listen to how it was layered with a Guild F50. The Guild F50 played the bass notes, but the high string played the intro picking. So here's the high string. Now I used the F50 to play bass notes. I wanted it to sound like one guitar, but you weren't really sure. The parts complement each other. High string is really a complementary instrument. Let's take it from one of the fuller sections and listen there. So there's layers of acoustic guitars happening. There's our high string, and there's our Guild. I also use 12 strings as well. Real 12 strings. Break it down to the high string. As you can hear, a high string can add a lot of color to an acoustic guitar performance.